Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Sami Janfi Machi.
Minua wa yi mama. Ojoso.
Minua usika benti onhwehwe me na onfa me nya hwe etisen.
Me boye. Awuni a oye ti e pre do demonstration ye. Usika ben na ba.
Na si obi a wanya skirt mi asese ni pa free Ghana mna mi nyina de abankra na ni ska na.
Ghana for say na omo akasa ECC apele ebi apele do. Enro a oye kire na omo fa de say omo akasa oye kire. Ti omo akasa boabo omo ho ano a omo jeje kaka temwa na omo bama ye sa historic unprecedented gargantuan kumiyem preko demonstration ewenra enka bontenso.
Sami bra na mo hwehwe sa ye kire no ne amudi si mo ani so domo na mo hwehwe se ebeba ene senia enra adwumadie no call ya nkasa no mpacho to sen
mamini kan ka domle wansen nyame ani brokwani ye adwumaden pa enye radio sonko a nye social media sonko a but ye call form ene nipa hodo pi edinkita ho ye ne ready for penny for dinkita ho won cry ye ne ye nuano mafare for dinkita ho ye ne eku bebre edinkita ho ba nyame ani brokwani eno edomo a ye hu ye no ye hu twiri ye ni enim se nipa beba ni enim se nipa na beba ma na buso ba ni enim se ebeye kakaka se isan se nana also in recent time no Ghana for one town called demonstration and connected no na ye demonstration who nipa bibiri but in the process of time no Ghana for bibiri I lose confidence in demonstrations because almost we say maybe a trim dodo now, and when we went on the ground some of them told us this maybe a trim omokan na kufu ado ho and in penyufo bi hu mo ye ku me preko demonstration sevat nya ye nyi free ho but some penyufo ni bi ba ba mu no savat no kra na omo ye mu demonstration ye nyi free ho no omo betu mu bi no mo say ya ye demonstration say nka ye tinke ni aboso omo ani omo ye demonstration ni ba ye no omo betu nke ni abo mu. So people have lost confidence in demonstration. That is why in recent time on time we say ni pako demonstration bibri MPP abraso MPP opposition omo ye demonstration bibri let my vote count na the AFAC for na the ho. You didn't really see huge numbers. I mean, you will see 2,000, 3,000 people, you know, the power, but not the huge numbers now. You know, and they will move for freedom and justice committee for joint action. Omoye demonstration na ugu nipano. So they apart from kakana, we said ya we a student of Ghanaian politics and only me yadre. But I'm not there na you know. Ne bro adrenaline ti so. Say at a time that you would have thought that people would be tired with demonstrations, you thousands and thousands and thousands of people. A group baby would you don't see where it ends. And even we the organizers who were overwhelmed. Nipa dodo ne de omo ba mane ye fe omo ba mane broswa yeda omo ba yi nyina se ye nua no mafarefo a omo de omo kan du ba ye ebeka omo hawo yeda omo se ye nua no Greater Accra Market Women Association all the market queens omo ba ye yeda omo ase ye nua no concerned drivers fo a omo de toilet car ba ye omo de bola car ba ye omo de Kia Rano ba ye yeda omo nyina se omo sprinters omo de ba ye na yeda omo ase ye nua no Gold Coast security for omo sika kam e wo Gold Coast yeda omo ase men's good for yeda omo ase all the unions it be mo mu na di kaya ye for omo de omo pants buy omo ja omo de omo pants buy. We thank all of them. Now overall demonstration was successful, it was peaceful. The crowd comported themselves because it do be near those and used to be there yɛntumi control crowd no. And me also say even the police will have a hard time controlling the crowd because the police were overwhelmed. Could not contain half or even 1/4 of that crowd. But a police for a domino a conductor well will be a and fata and we congratulate them for that. By and large, the demonstration was well attended, it was peaceful, and the free said the near person achieved, it's me achieved.
My next step,
your next step is Slim Tamale and chair your nimpany for your further consultations, date member. But you know, the idea behind this demonstration is that your present demonstration will be NDC, NPP, PPP, PNC, PPP. Your demonstration way I'm a Ghana for and PNP, so more power now money I could do, and I could ask and say, Akasawa Kuku, so more breno. Ye moment Quenya more Kasa Kadi how. And for example, I drive a 4x almost a year. Now to buy ye. What to pay to 22 times in 26 months. May I be a politician, rather be news our factory, and I drive a 4 the money who here. And I have for my who said December 2016, almost top to Gallo back 14 Ghana cities, and almost 24 Ghana cities. I drive a 4 the normal my who said, Sir, and Nebola car, toilet camp pool. Nanado see will be a way or Georgia last week in tax. Sprinters, Kiarian, which are last week in tax. And normal my who said, road tools will change and I buy fine yap, I buy fine you was I buy the year. Port tool a patch and crown, I buy with a guy. In the other port tools, the way I pass with beaches and mango. I'd rather pop the common house. And now I for a common house, and now for what? Nana men say, outboard motor, December 2016. Now for almost 6,000 Ghana cities. Then, I buy that another more which you and Kakrano. And next, our outboard motor, almost 18,000 Ghana cities. From 6,000 to 18,000. Almost the premise for your diverting NPP constituency executive left on. Almost the binomato. The boss will control over 60%. Or meant to make say Omonche na fishes in Patambra in Sudimuno. Omoko na China for the petrol and the fishes in the Manina, the Nomoku Jusua, Omojumelku, Omunya fishes in Kitting Pool. And now go to security for the Suamusu. Omonte Dr. Papa Kwesi Juma, John Mahama Bresso, offended Jumura, because none of Juma Koso will be branches, our Ghana Fananginano, almost a number Wadani Fura, Wadani Susura, because a contractor for more Mokoya acquiring classroom blocks and Mapino. And yet, there are buying with Somoka, no, not waiting yet, and now when your customer sticker at the amount to also come. Same with Best Good, same with Jebiano kiosk stores for more than my website. It's more thing insensitivity. In one day, or one time over 5,000. I buy the caterpillar, a Vilagua, and then Omo Matabon thing, Omo Yereno Dabon thing, Omo Manti Kusuku, Lady Kakao, Obia the Canasset, men's good for the cow master. All the market to put for the Yammo. Except for the first time, Nana, the who's at the APC at check. Say all the market queens in Greater Accra came. Almost say, your need your mama say, oh, Stifa, 1 million Stifa. You get 6,000 Ghana cities, I get 1 million Stifa, Echo Kwanso Kofanyama. And I have 1 million Stifa. And now, Dr. Bawumia, I say, is he can see. I just get 9,600. Almost a share of us, a share victory. Almost near $1 about 4 cities, 20 pesos, you be happy. It is another $10,000. I call Kwanso, I call Fanyama. 42,000 cities, but mamma $10,000. Mamma Bakwasi and net dollar do 5 cities, 30 pesos. It is a $10,000 I call Kwanso. I used to make it 53,000 cities. The other also don't want 10,000. Or say, I send me fast so, I send me victory. And now what I am talk. Who feel I am here? The car for a pata, or don't show go to more in Biaso. Oh, can I buy net to Sukrana me anymore? Yes, what to you boom. yɛnka wasɛm nwie yɛ wasan so ato nkani aboɔ bum aban a wɔwɔ opposition ɔse nkani aboɔ de nkyɛn ɛdan boɔ rent nti wɔba abɛte nkani aboɔ so ɛnɛ nyina da ne 419 mmabu no ɔmo baayɛ ɔmo se adwuma ne wɛn factories ne wɔ hefa dams ne wɔ hefa $1 million per constituency ne wɔ hefa ɛna aban kɔ gyina ever pure a ɔse ever pure ɛyɛ 1 district factory aban kɔ kasaprɛko a ɔse kasaprɛko yɛ 1 district 1 factory nana yaw ɛna na Ghana for started no kasaprɛko alomu bites ɛna na Ghana for started no ever pure a ɛno na nana kufu ado aban de bɔ ne WhatsApp ɛnde sɛ wayɛ 1 district 1 factory ɛna dams wɛn yɛ de excavator kɔ dwiri fam ne yɛ bɔ mpa yɛ ministry to bɛtae mu a yɛsɛ yɛayɛ 1 village 1 dam $1 million ne wɔ hefa ne nyinaa da ne faka dam yɛhu ahotɔ no na deɛ yɛdi ka atoɔ koraa no ɛyɛ fɛ ɛyɛ apopo aya aban wei de tan centralfoɔ ɔde tan Ghanafoɔ hwɛ ɛnɛ amɛsoale na wadamfoɔ ana ɔne anaasare mi yɛ a wanaase di ne dwuma ɔnka kyɛ asefoɔ ho bio wagya ne mma ne ne yerenom hɔ ɔkɔ because yɛku no aban wei mu nipa member of parliament MPP ni Kennedy Japan ɛtena TV so threaten no with harm threaten no with death sɛ nyɛ ɔno mpo ɛna ne because bi na bi nyina so deɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa owuo no Kennedy Japan ne ho bi but at least threat of harm section 74 of the Criminal Offences Act ɛyɛ ne criminal adenti no ogu so apɔfo a yɛsɛ ne bi sɛ ne wɔ secret table so ɔno yɛ charge no for conspiracy to threaten with harm na Kennedy Japan TV so amenswale oye say but what you want wow ni dia no bono na beji sika wo me ho na nam so am yakuru na Kennedy Japan na mpase freeman why must it be that this what expose Minister of State Roxin Bukari for corruption and what say for attacking the residents near president with them? Why must we do that? Sammy Pebrebra near Mobos Anima we nyina so na yeah 1 minute. Why must we do all these things? And then Ghana this year near celebrate your were our heroes. These were indigenous businessmen, even Nigerians envied them. They created businesses. And then Amwabe way, and then Dr. Pamela Dufo way, and then Sedu Abongo way, and then Dr. Papa Kosidium way, about we buy over 6,000 people have lost their jobs. About we buy go to crowd and another year. Microfinance 347 Yagulu, banks 9 Yagulu. Everything is collapsing. So the message is clear. Enough of the excruciating hardship. Enough of the oppression, enough of the kidnappings, enough of the growing levels of violent crime and insecurity. Abiding in the process. Now, a hot or say, you to about Madon or Famra. On your contractor for the contractor on 10 years so don't am from, safe am from, now you want toilet because that is what we were promised. Why, yes, I you got Tamale, you fit Tamala, you go Kumase. Yɛbɛyɛ kumiyɛmprɛko demonstration ewie ababɛyɛ wiemiyɛmprɛko ewie ababɛyɛ sieyɛmprɛko na yɛnim sɛ nanado wɔntia the voice of the people is the voice of God in Chino come 2020 ɔbɛte bɔbɔle bɔbɔ
enti moyɛ kumiprɛko na mo wia no ayɛ dɛn wie yɛ prɛko no mo ayɛ sieyɛmprɛko
kumiyɛmprɛko series no yɛkɔ sirim yɛba sentiment no yɛwuri yɛbɛyɛ no even national security boys anadwo man na ɔma yɛ meetings enti me pɛsɛ mɛkeka the almost started somewhere in this demonstration by bribing some people. So when you press release or which didn't work, so we will not tell them where we are going, but at least generally, I want you to know that we'll be going to the north, we'll be going to the Ashanti region and some areas. This, yeah, the Bible thing. You and no Kuyan Precona, yeah, Baba, ye, we and prep. If we are the sea and prep, what was so. But yeah, King. Mate. And then my special petroleum tax against the cruise on Jabra Fonton each Ghana.
That's just a BBA and Hobium. Mate, Sammy may found say, Yadas, Papa, Sammy Jamfi, and no shrink down dear Soma, NDC, Amanakuno, no, and Yanino, Ekasa, and Kuyen Precon, Wiem Precon, and a CM Precon. Series of demonstrations to hit the Akufuado government.
Peace FM 104.3 wotumi ntake